Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tina X254. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. Beautiful Sunday morning in East Africa. I'm in the forest, as you can hear the voices in the background. Karura Forest, taking my usual morning Sunday walk. I love this place. We are right in the middle of the eucalyptus trees and they are just giving such a refreshing scent. So nice. So this is a place you can come with your family every Sunday mornings. You can exercise as you enjoy the views. Let me show you around, guys. Just see. It's so nice. Yes, so keep watching as we continue with our beautiful, nice morning Sunday walk on this nice trail. Thank you. Keep watching. Yeah, it's a bit rocky. Much easier, yeah. Guys, as you are taking the walk, for those who get tired along the trail, there are sitting benches, very beautiful benches done by Samsung. I'm not advertising for them, but the benches are really beautiful. So you can sit here as you relax and take your water from your water bottles. Please note that they do not allow plastic containers over here. So don't bring the plastic water bottles. Come with your water in the water bottles. I'm enjoying my walk. I'm really enjoying my walk. The trail today is so nice, so calm. The weather is also very friendly. So I'm still walking on my way to the waterfalls and the caves. So keep watching. I'll show you all that as we get there. The trail is well labeled and one cannot get lost, so we are on the part which is labeled where we can go to the Butterfly Lake, Pretty Valley, or the waterfalls. Us, we are choosing the waterfalls. So guys, this is the label directing us to the caves and the waterfall. So it's showing 1 kilometer from here. Keep watching, guys. The waterfalls are very amazing. Guys, this is the trail to the waterfall. We are on our way to the waterfall. Today it's a bit quiet. As you can see, I'm already panting. It's a real nice exercising walk. It's also good for cardio. So those who are around, you can consider coming to Karura once in a while for your morning walks. Hi guys, we are now on the part that a signpost showing us that the trail is about to get very, very hilly. I'm really excited. This is the part I love most, the hilly trail. Hi, I'm right here next to this signpost. As you can see, I'm already starting to sweat. The sweat is breaking out. Keep watching, guys. Thank you for watching up to this far. The best is yet to come. Hi guys. At least now the trail is a bit more calm. It's not as bumpy and hilly. So I'm already hearing the sound of the waterfall. We are close by. We are very, very close to the waterfall now. Very, very close. Can't wait to show you when I get there. This is the sign to the waterfall. It's on the left. And so many people love this trail, especially expatriates. They love coming to walk over here. So let's go to the waterfall. So, steps to the waterfall. I am running down to the waterfall. The sound of the waterfall is so nice. I'm with my sister, but she doesn't want to show her face on the video. She's sitting somewhere waiting for me. She doesn't really want to show her face. Oh, there's a nice trail here. Now we are already reaching the waterfall, as you can see. Look at it. Then little bit. This is just a little of it. A little of the waterfall. Hey, you have to be very careful. If your phone goes, that's it. So this is just a small part of the waterfall. Listen to the sound. It's so calming, so refreshing, so therapeutic. I love this. There's also a nice bench where you can sit and view the waterfall. Here I am to the waterfall.
Short one.
That's okay.
You're feeling crazy trying to get money from
We are all struggling to climb this trail to the top. Have to go right to the top. Guys, I found somewhere to sit. Wow, climbing up that trail is not a joke. My sister is still struggling, but she's almost reaching. Wow, we've come all the way from down. Not easy. We've climbed right from the bottom. But good thing they've put some steps. But it's really steepy. I guess that's the most enjoyable part of the hike. Hello, we are at the Lily Lake at Karura. It has lots of lilies and a small pond. Thank you everyone for watching my video to the end. Hope you've enjoyed our hike at Karura Forest today. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. Do not forget to comment on the comment section below. Bye, take care, see you in my next video.